Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Panasonic SC-PMX100 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not connecting or not working, or if the CDs are not playing, or if the buttons aren't reacting, or things like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get this unit back to the way it was when it came out of the box with its factory default settings in place so you can set it up like new. We can go ahead and do that real easily. All we need to do is first of all just unplug the unit from the wall and then let it sit for at least 3 minutes. After those at least 3 minutes are up, we're just going to come and find the power button. We're just going to press and hold the power button. And while pressing and holding the power button, we can go ahead and plug this unit back into the wall. Just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, and keep it on this display. And when the display just shows up a bunch of dashes all across the display, that means basically the reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the power button and go ahead and set this stereo up as a brand new device.